Baby's in the yard. I'm gonna catch him flying away. I'm gonna fly away. I gotta catch him. What a day. Began at 9:30. Chipmunks, grackles, a red wing. Okay, he about to fly away. He about to fly away. I just want to get him in flight. I still missed her. I hate when I miss shit. My arm is fucking numb, so that explains it. But anyway, doing what I do. Releasing my mind so the rest will follow. Missed that opportunity too. My arm is dead on the right side. Oh, that's a big red wing. That's a big, oh my God. That's a big, that is a big red wing robin. I mean a red wing blackbird. He big as hell. Look at how big he is. That's the biggest one I've seen. That's gotta be a male because he big as hell. I must be feeding him good because that nigga big as fuck out there. He look like about a grackle or a crow. That nigga big as fuck over there. Look how big that damn black wing robin is over there.